Welcome back, chaps. Now if you're watching this, you've come to the right place to get something for free. First of all, I want to talk to you about this. A magnificent head torch, only weighing 50 grams. That is a reflective strip on that side. On the top here, you've got two buttons. One is for red and green, and the other one is for the clear light. Obviously that has different settings, and so does the other one. On the front, you've got your red and green, and then you've got your clear. You've got a nice little charging port underneath, which is USB on there, and the whole thing on the bracket adjusts. There we go. So that's your mechanism down the back there. Now this might be small, which I thought that can't last long, but it does. Full power on it, on high power, lasts 5 hours. So I tested it and I stuck it on for 5 hours, and yes, it did last 5 hours. It lasts 20 hours on medium, and on low 200 hours. I haven't waited 200 hours. The green LED is what I really like. Red's good, but green does really help. So it's got a lock feature, and it also does have a max setting, which I'll show you. So I'll run you through the settings that's on it and the lights that's on it. So first of all, you've got your low setting, and then you have your medium setting, and then you have your high setting, and then you have your extra high setting. All you do is hold in for 3 seconds for that. But it does have a memory. So if you turn this off on a high setting and you put it back on, it goes back to a high setting. And now on the top there, it has an R, which is for your red lights and your green lights. It's green, brighter green, red, and off. Real nice head torch that for 50 grams. It is absolutely phenomenal. But I'm not going to give you this one. This is going to be a giveaway. All you got to do is put a comment in, just say Mark Outdoors, and that is it. And what you'll get one of these in a protective case with a charging lead and the instructions, and in a box. So Sunblesa kindly sent me one out to give away, and that's what I'm doing. So just drop a comment, say Mark Outdoors, and that is it. If you don't mind subscribing, that would really help the channel, as I can do more things like this too. Yeah, cracking head torch, highly recommended. On Amazon, I believe for £22. Cracking little head torch. Good luck.